Mail call. Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead model building. Got a package in the mail today. All I know so far is from Sierra City, California. We'll get her open. Oh, do have a note. Says, "Hello Frank. I've been watching your videos on YouTube and I seen you had an address to send you stuff. Well, I got to thinking. I think I have a box with some model stuff in it. Well, indeed, I have one from a long time ago that I never started or just had laying around. I don't know if all the parts are there or not, but I am sure you can use them in a good way. You see, I can't build them anymore due to my arthritis and other ailments. So I sit back and watch others build them. Thank you very much for trying to get those youngsters to try something new from an old codger like yourself." No name, no nothing. So whoever sent it, I appreciate it. And I'm very grateful. And I'm glad that I'm making somebody happy. Well, what do we got? Oh, in Ziploc bags, we got various decals off of different models. Pinstriping, more pinstriping. 1983's on that one. 53 Chevy panel wagon. 2013 Flames. This one don't have a year on it. Not sure what that's off of. It's got a t-shirt on it. Says 55 Chevy Bel Air hardtop, 2010. Boy, there's some real old ones. Wow. Some Noah's Ark welding. Don't know what that one's off of. It's an old one. 58 Ford pickup, 12 of 6, 1965. Some more 1983. That's cool. Some more decals. Instructions for a Model A pickup from Reville. Kit 7136. Doesn't have a date. Then we got a 1940 Ford sedan delivery truck. Kit model number 099-8215 AMT 1997. Got some glass pieces. Not sure which one. It's probably out of the pickup, but I'm not sure. And some more decals. 1940 sedan delivery. Got some chrome parts. Not sure what it's off of. Could be the Model T the way it looks by the grill. There's a bag full of different parts. That's part of the Model T. Sedan delivery. Probably some more of the Model T. There's a bunch of parts in that one bag that looks like different models. Not sure what that goes to. No markings anywhere. Other than that, it's just a bunch of parts. That could be the Model T. Yep, that's part of the Model T. Part of the bumper broke off. That's alright. That's some more of the sedan. Parts and pieces. So that's about all that's in here. I don't see no tires or anything. Well, there's tires in this bag. There's tires and stuff in this bag. There's a bunch of tires, different parts and that. So anyway, I'd make a quick video of it. Like I said, appreciate it. If you have any parts or model kits or anything like that you want to send, There's an address down below. I'm getting this together. I got the rack built for the paint. I'll catch you on the next one. But don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow, you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here.